Hello students, welcome to our English class. Let us continue reading comprehension. Question A, take the correct option. Question A, as an old lady, the poet wants to give back. When a lady, when she want to become an old woman, the poet wants to give back. What she want to give back? Here are given the options. We have to choose the correct answer. Okay. Money to her kids. Next, peace her kids. Next, happiness and joy to her kids. A home to her kids. The correct answer is happiness. The poet means the woman when she become old, she means here the poets want to give back happiness and joy to her kids. This is the correct one. So tick there. Second, the poet will bounce on the furniture, carpet, bed, sofa. As per given in the poem, furniture is the correct answer. The poet will bounce means jump on the furniture. The furniture is the correct, so tick there. Third one, when her kids find the poet getting into mischiefs, they will, options are punish her, shake their heads, run after her, laugh at her. When her kids find the poet getting into mischief, means when the woman is doing mischief, playing pranks with their kids, they will shake their heads. So second option is the correct. Next, at dinner time, the poet will, options are throw food around, not eat the food. Next, eat the food her kids cook, sing for the kids. The correct answer is not eat the food. So tick there. Okay. Let us move toward the fifth. The poet will throw away her socks on that she can. Options are watch TV, stick them together, play in the mud and get dirty. Wash them. The correct answer is the poet wants to play whole day in the mud. So third option is the correct. So tick there. Next, sixth number, when the poet goes to sleep, her kids will feel. When the poet, that woman, when she will goes to sleep, the kids will feel relieved. Third option is the correct. Let us move towards the question B. Read the sentences and answer the questions that follow. Here given the poem's line, sentence of a poem. With the help of these poems or line, we have to find this question answer. Okay students? As you know, question A, who will be angry? Here the poem's line here, and when they get angry, the answer is here the kids of the poet. Next, question B, why will they be angry? Because she will do all the naughty things that they did. Did you understand? When the woman is making mischiefs with her kids, the children will getting angry. Absolutely, the children will or kids will get angry when she will play the mischiefs, and children will get angry to her. She will do all the naughty things. Naughty means playing mischiefs that they did. Okay. Question C. What is the poet going to do? What is the poet going to do? Answer. She will run to save herself from her kids. When the children find she is doing mischiefs with them, then she will, when the children find to her getting angry, and at that time she will run to save herself from her kids. Next question, and say with a groan. This is the poem line. And say with a groan, she is so sweet when she is sleeping. This is the poem line. Questions are here. A. Who is going to say this? Answer. The kids of the poet. Kids of the poet is going to say. What they say? They are groaning unhappily. They are nervously saying, she is so sweet when she is sleeping. Okay. Question B. Who will be sleeping? The poet when she is an old woman. Old lady. Okay. Who is sleeping? Did you get? The old woman when she become an old. She is telling. Okay. Next. Question C. Why will they say this with a groan? Answer. They will say it with a groan because she was a big trouble to them when she was awake, and now that she is sleeping, she looks so sweet that they can't be angry anymore. Did you get? Once again I am going to explain here. When the old woman, she is getting mischiefs, playing pranks, playing naughty with the kids, the whole day they are getting big trouble. They are facing big trouble whole day. And now she is going to sleep. So the kids are telling she looks so sweet that they can't be angry anymore. Okay. Question C. Answer these questions. First, what does the poet want to play back? Poet want to pay back. Answer. The poet wants to pay back all the happiness and joy to her kids. It is her wish. She has told, when I am an old lady, then I will pay back all the happiness and joy to her kids. Second, what does she want to do when her kids will be on the phone? What does she want to do when her kids will be on the phone? When they are receiving when the children are on the phone, what she want to do? Answer. When her children are on the phone, she will get into things like sugar and bleach. Get into means she will mix up the sugar and bleach. Okay. Did you get? Get into means mix up the things in front of them or in front or their back, on their back. When the kids were watching to her, they are telling don't do. Did you get? Next, question number 3. How will she react to her children's cooking? Answer. Did you get the question? How will she react to her children's cooking? It means when the children are calling to her for dinner, how she has react? Answer. When her children cook dinner and call her to eat, she will not eat her green beans or salad or meat. She will gag on her okra and spill milk on her table. She has planned what she has planned, what her wishes. She has decided, I will not eat the salad, I will not eat the meat, I will not eat the beans. And she will gag means she will omit on the food and spill the milk on her table. Spill means I will spill the milk on her table. Spill means here she will push the glass of milk on the table. Next question. How will she watch TV? Answer. She will sit close to the TV and click out. Answer once again. She will sit close to the TV and check out what is showing on all the channels. When she will sit near the TV, at that time she will check all the channels, what is going on these channels. Means she wants to play like kids. Okay, students? All of you have to write this question answer in your notebook and complete. Read and learn. I hope you have understood.